my name is Sudipto Mukherjee, and I'm a professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Delhi, and currently the Dean faculty, but that is perhaps not important to the story. So, two students or two researchers who were there in the IIT came to my office one fine day saying that they needed help and support in getting a crush to the market. तो थोड़ा अजीब लगता है क्योंकि लगता है कि क्रश तो ऐसी है, देखे आ रहे हैं हम लोग जिंदगी भर, सहारा है लोगों का, तो दो डंडे होते हैं, नीचे एक गोल सा होता है, उसमें है क्या। तो पहले जब वो लेके आए एक डिज़ाइन थे उनके पास, वो ये अभी जो करीब करीब ऐसे ही दिख रहे थे, देखने में तो ऐसे ही था, लेकिन जब वो यूज़ करने लगे तो उसमें कई चीज़ें सामने आई। एक तो व्यवहार करने में टूट जाते हैं, फिर उसको लेके तो ऐसे पूरा ऐसे ही था देखने में शुरू में, और उसको चलने में जो है ना, जब आप डालते हो, जैसे ये बिल्कुल स्थिर है, शुरू वाला डिज़ाइन जो था वो चलने में ऐसे लड़बड़ करती रहती थी। तो ये सारे चीज़ जो है लगता है कि ऐसे ही हाथ घुमाने पे फेरने पे जो है ठीक हो जाता है, लेकिन दिस इज द IIT. We teach people how to work from basic principles, basic mathematics, and we call this science-based engineering. So that was the connection, is to basically take an idea and a design and convert it into a product which will sustain in the market. So this was not the first, my first attempt at incubation, and there were these kids who were interested. लेकिन IIT में हमारे इसके लिए सपोर्ट के लिए स्ट्रक्चर्स बने हुए थे। तो पहले शुरू हुआ छोटी सी रकम से, एक IRD करके डिवीजन है हमारा, इंडस्ट्रियल रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट। तो जब भी कोई स्टूडेंट चाहता है कि कुछ उन्होंने काम किया उसको आगे बढ़ाना है, उसको मार्केट में लेके जाना है, उसके लिए सपोर्ट देते हैं। तो पहले उससे शुरू हुआ कि पहले प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं। तो पहले जब फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट बनी तो लोग जब इस्तेमाल करने लगे इसको डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन पे, और जो लोग क्रच यूज़ करते हैं रेगुलर बेसिस में, उन्होंने बोला कि ये बढ़िया चीज़ है, लेकिन इसमें कुछ कमी रह गए। एंड देन वी लुक फॉर मेजर फंडिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. Now when we say we look for major funding, I didn't look for the funding. So my role was very clear, is technical support to basically help them design, and it's just this time with age that I know I have seen design many products, is trying to get that what are the solutions, how to get it quickly, what to look for. So we looked at these structures and then slowly designs after design. So this is not the first design. It just did not happen in one day. It's been an effort of 3 years of sustained engineering and product feedback which has given us this design. So that is what you're seeing now. So in IIT we have access to labs, manufacturing facility, and obviously there are other faculty also who are interested in design. AIIMS has fantastic doctors, fantastic facility, and when they see that you have a product which is likely to help people, so the primary purpose of the business incubator is to allow differing costs, right? So someone who is not incubating has to pay for office space upfront, has to pay for networking, printer upfront, but the requirement of printing, networking is very sporadic, because firstly you're working on the design. So it's a hosting, and it's also an environment with which youngsters are familiar. It's a university environment where failure is acceptable. You're not looking at delivery and income coming back immediately, number one. The second thing is, incubating in the IIT gets faculty involved. Now, what do you mean gets? Why can't you do it outside? If somebody comes to me for consulting, then typically what we will do is, we will get, if I can do the full job, I'll say okay, I can do it. And very often, in this case, we have involved another faculty member, Professor Khatayat, who actually specializes in compliant design. So it's like, this one actually flexes. It is not a rigid object. It actually moves when you are putting load on it. So we'll get, say, 2 or 3 faculty members involved. In this case, Professor Khatayat was involved. So we might actually want to charge. So there are costs to the institute because of the time involved with the faculty. So charges could be as high as 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, depending on the level of involvement. So when you incubate, these costs are all deferred in lieu of some what is called sweat equity in the company. So a small amount is involved, and then we are committed also to the process. We are saying we are interested in developing it, and this is very useful to us because we learn about the life cycle of the product, and this eventually the gain to the institute is that it goes back into our teaching curriculum. And the advantage of the company is that all the costs are deferred, and all the wisdom which we have been working for 30-35 years on similar problem is available without paying upfront, and we are willing to also defer the time. So it works out nicely both ways, and the institute also gains by it because of enhanced curriculum and other such structures. Some technical problems are easy to solve. For example, how much should it bend, whether the product is failing. So then we can do extensive finite element analysis. Now finite element is a very common word nowadays. People think you can just put it in a package and you can get it. But it is actually not so easy to interpret the results, and even if you are able to do analysis, design using that is very difficult. So this was one of the challenges because the people involved, one person called Arvind, he was familiar with mechanism design because he had done that course with us, and another person was familiar with another course which was precision. So there was a bridging which was involved. So all these were challenges because they had different expertise, and all of that had to be bridged together to create this design. So that was the challenge in the whole process, and so things kept failing. And then once you take a product, somebody says, no, I like this, I don't like this. The second person will go and say, I like what he didn't like, but I also want this. So this doing a user trial is also very important, and after you have gotten all of these several opinions together, you take this and you discuss with the doctors. It says, I'm getting these opinions, and the doctors tell you, no, you can disregard this, you can disregard this. Now this is very important, we must achieve these objectives. So the real problem is in getting all these expertise together and to then come out with a product or come out with a range of products. So 2 or 3 products. So one will be a smaller cost, and then we can make a very lightweight, very high-end product. So these are again marketing strategies which different people require. So that is a challenge in getting a product. So this has many interesting features. Like you see, it is standing. हाँ, तो इसको जाके जगह ढूंढने नहीं पड़ते कि कहाँ टिकाऊं इसको जब मैं बैठ रहा हूँ, तो बगल में खड़ी कर दो, रह जाएगी आपके साथ सहारा देने के लिए, अवेलेबल है। एक और बंदा नहीं चाहिए होता है जो कि लेके घूम रहा है आपके साथ कि भाई ये ले लो, और कहीं भी चल सकता है ये। जैसे इधर फर्श लग रहा है लकड़ी का है, बट थोड़ा फिसलन है, बट कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। बाहर जाओगे सीमेंट है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। जमीन में चले जाओ, उधर भी उबड़ खबड़ है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। तो आम आदमी के लिए तो बहुत ही इसका असर पड़ेगा। अभी क्या बनता है कि ये इसको हम गौर तरीके देखते हैं कि दिस इज अ लो एंड प्रोडक्ट। क्रैश you need it because somebody can't support you, so you don't have a means of income, but one can make 2 or 3 ranges of this. Can be a very lightweight thing which is more agile, can be a low cost item. And the other thing, great thing about this is that, so there are some features here which has taught us the whole point of of accessibility and how to work with people with disabilities. So what we are looking now is to push this product and develop other products based on similar principles, which will help lot of people who are challenged or who are assistively challenged. Yes, this is required. This will be very useful to defense forces because whenever there is operations, people get disabled temporarily or permanently. So that is also required. And And so there are also people who have temporary problems, like you have a surgery. So for you just have an ankle fracture. For them this is very important because even you're not used to it, you have tremendous pain in different portions in using these kind of devices. So then also it becomes very important. And
different state ministries and health.
So different state health ministries need important, and they need to take this on, support this, take it to the market, make it available to their clinics. Tell them you don't have to sit with the old crutches which are 100 years old. We have new homegrown technology. But this overall is a hope that we can start producing new products and innovate, and we don't always have to go with products which have come to us from England, from USA, and we just sit with them for hundreds of years.